ruin. To damage something so badly that it loses all its value, pleasure, etc. Criminals ruined a city by exploding bombs. Gust. A sudden gust of wind blew his umbrella inside out. The sudden gust of wind blew leaves all around the garden. Mingle. To mix with other things or people. He seems to be mingling with the other guests. Wound. An injury to part of your body, especially a cut, often one received in fighting. He had a deep wound in his finger and had lost a lot of blood. Beg. To ask people for food, money, etc. because you are very poor. There are people begging for food and money in the streets. Alms. Money, food, or other donations given to people in need. Anything given as charity. He showed her generosity by giving alms regularly. Backbite. To say unpleasant and unkind things about someone who is not there. Gossiping and backbiting can damage friendship and trust. Splash. To scatter liquid or to cause liquid to scatter through the air or onto something. She jumped into the pool with a splash. Threaten. To warn that you may hurt, kill or punish somebody if she does not do what you want. The mugger threatened her with a gun. Wet. Covered in a liquid, especially water, or with a lot of rain. His face and clothes got completely wet. Rescue. To help someone or something out of a dangerous, harmful, or unpleasant situation. The lifeboat rescued the sailors from the sinking boat. Drip. The sound or action of liquid falling in drops. The rain was dripping off the roof. Puddle. A small pool of water or other liquid, especially rain, that has formed on the ground. A child jumped over the puddle. Swear. To make a serious promise. I swear I didn't say anything. Abuse. To use or treat so as to injure or damage. She is continually abusing her. Present. To give something to someone in a formal way or in a ceremony. They gave me theater ticket as a presents.
Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos.